pizza vending machine in Japan? Only Japan would have some shit like this. Wow. I want to see it come out. That shit kind of burnt, bruh. It doesn't even come pre-cut. Give me back my money. You said it's made by a machine. The machine has a cut pizza slice on it, though. It gives you a pizza kit? Oh, that's nice of them. That shit's about to break.
If I remember correctly, Japan has a vending machine for bras too.
Sounds nice. I heard they have a used panty machine. That shit sounds disgusting. Imagine being in Japan and being like, yo, let me order a used panty off the machine. You fucking sniff it. You wake up the next morning, you got fucking herpes on your nose. You're bugging. You're bugging. Yo, that shit look like it's bussin'. Eat that shit. Stop the cap, dude. He said, wow, it tastes like a freshly made pizza from a restaurant. You capping now, dude. I barely see sauce on that shit. That shit, like, I see cheese, but where's the sauce? Where's the cilantro? Where's the pepper flakes? Come on, bro. Is he about to order another one? Oh, this guy was hungry. Oh, that shit is bussin'. Oh, you making me hungry right now, dude.
Pretty sure half of the vending machines in Japan have its own gacha. Japan has a gacha for everything, I swear.